Let's take a look at some of the corporate news headlines we're expecting on Tuesday, 24th of May. Looking up first of all for UK Mail. Remember last week we had that number out from the Royal Mail Group. Well, if we are to expect the same sort of thing, we could well see a benefit from an increase in parcel deliveries and we get fuller earnings from this company. It's a company that has been built on the opening up of the mail market here in the UK, and it's invested heavily in parcel delivery logistics and has succeeded in taking some of the business that has risen so much since the rise in online deliveries. As I say, last week we saw Royal Mail Group. They produced a 3% rise in business in the parcel division, but it came at a margin expense with revenue down 1%. UK Mail will want to see this as a benchmark, and investors will be wanting to see a rise in the revenue number. Then up next is Severn Trent, also at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Underlying pre-tax profit expected to be down around about 6% at some £514 million. In an effort to increase opportunities, though, Severn Trent has recently joined with United Utilities in a joint venture that will compete with others in the water supply sector. And we get a trading update as well from Kingfisher, the company that owns B&Q and other DIY retailers around Europe. It's likely to be keenly analysed. This will throw further light on the UK retail sector, which is under pressure at the moment as consumers begin to feel the pinch. The update covers the long Easter weekend. Not surprising, a key trading period for DIY retailers. The colder temperatures, though, in Northern Europe have delayed the onset of what it calls the important gardening season, through which, of course, it's involved through B&Q. It's got a big interest there in the gardens for individual enthusiasts. The group also owns rapidly expanding Screwfix, the French DIY giant Castorama, and also Brico Dépôt in France. And a quick check on some of the individual companies we're watching here in the UK. We've got full year numbers from Cranswick, Aviva Group, Big Yellow, HomeServe and De La Rue. We've got half year numbers as well coming through from Topps Tiles and Paragon. And a quick snapshot as well as what's happening in the US. We've got a couple of companies worth looking at there. There's Best Buy, the US consumer, all session on the IG platform, the US consumer retailer. It reports first quarter before the opening bell on Tuesday. And then you can trade up to and immediately after that company publishing its earnings, which is expected to come in at about 35 cents a share. And then after the close tomorrow night, it's HP Enterprises on its second quarter. HP Enterprises, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, it's the services part of the business that was spun away from the computer and printer division, HP Group, which is due to report in a couple of days' time.